Hi
finally,
Pradeep, how are you?
I'm doing good, Parveen, and how about you? And
I am
finally, the
good. I'm
privilege,
good. Oh God, no.
privilege arrived.
Where have you been? How have you been? It's been ages. I cannot even believe that we are talking
Yeah,
again.
yeah, me either. It's ages. It's been ages.
Oh
I
God,
have just been
seriously.
practicing a line, and finally, the time era was the most privileged to meet my
Yeah.
favorite tutor on Clapingo. How
Oh
are you,
God.
Parveen?
I thought you have learned everything that you possibly could have from the platform. So he has said goodbye to the platform and he's gone somewhere now.
Yes,
Oh God. How is life going?
yeah, it's going good
Going?
for
It's
now.
just going.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I I have completed my graduation and now I'm preparing for.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I'm now preparing for the competitive exams. I mean, SSC,
Okay.
like Staff Selection Commission.
Okay. And when
Meanwhile,
will
I am
that be?
also focusing on my English
Absolutely.
language.
You are very passionate about the language, so I know you will not stop. You're not gonna
Thank
stop with
you.
this. You'll continue. But I do notice you've changed your hairstyle.
Yeah,
Your hairstyle
actually,
has
yeah, I have
changed.
grown a little bit.
Okay. When did you finish your graduation? What year?
I mean, in May 2022, I relieved in the month of
May 22.
2022.
Okay, wonderful.
And
And
then
right now
I
you're
joined
preparing.
in a coaching center. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay,
and
but when will your
preparing
exam
for the
be?
government exam. It will be in the April, in the month of April.
Oh, very close. 2 months, not even 2 months, 1.5 months to go.
Yes,
So are
sorry.
you all prepared?
Not really. It's going on.
It's still going.
Yes.
Okay.
And what's new with you, Parveen?
What's with me? Even I graduated. I got my degree.
Congratulations to you too.
Thank you. I got my degree in November 2022 last year,
Mhm.
and I had already enrolled myself for masters. The masters is going on. 1 year is
Wow,
about to get completed. One more year,
great news.
and masters will also be done. So that's how it's going with me. But yes, life has become very busy, very, very busy. So I
Mhm.
rarely come on the platform. So I feel
Yeah,
sad
yeah.
about
Actually, I've been checking you about your sessions, and luckily this morning when I was checking out the slots,
it.
luckily I
Yeah.
got your session, and I started the
Mm.
two successive sessions, but un- unfortunately you have cancelled one session from 8:40 to 8:55.
It would have gotten cancelled on its own. It happens because of irrelevant time and
Mm-hmm.
date. It is happening with a lot of people that the
Okay.
second session is getting cancelled because it shows that it's irrelevant time or date. But they're
Okay.
fixing it.
Okay.
Let's hope it gets fixed. I don't know, but
Oh
I
my
hope
God!
so.
It's my
Don't
bad.
worry, it has happened with a lot of people, a lot of learners of
Okay.
mine, and their second session. It comes to me as a message that his
Okay.
second session was cancelled due to irrelevant time and date. So I'm like,
And yeah, they have, they have. I mean, they have put another tutor on that
yes.
time.
If
Yeah.
it has gotten cancelled from my list, then you will get somebody else.
Okay.
My 840 is booked with somebody else. So it
Okay.
is because of that technical something that is going on. I don't know. I
Okay.
hope
It's
it
fine.
gets fixed. And when I got your session, it had only been like 10 minutes that I'd opened my
Mhm.
slots. Just 10 minutes ago, I'd opened.
Oh my God.
So
Yeah.
I'm like,
I was so okay. I hope. Yeah. God is with me today.
oh wow, it was nice. And because of this only, because the platform is luckily flourishing. So that is also the reason that the time slots are getting booked pretty quickly.
Yes.
So, but still, when did you join back?
I joined back 3 months ago. I think.
3 months? It took you 3 months to book a session with me.
No,
That's so
it took
rude,
me.
Pradeep.
It took me 3 months to find an available slot of you.
oh god, he's like 3 months. I'm like 3 months? You've been here for 3 months and
Whenever
now you're talking to me?
whenever I find your slot, oh my God, I missed this. I missed this my favorite session again. Why
Oh
God? Why
god.
me?
whenever you were trying to book, it was already coming as
Yes. Yes.
booked. This is the reason, right? My time slots have become very limited because the other
Yes.
life that I'm living
Yes.
is
Yes,
pretty
yes.
busy for now.
Yeah.
But let's hope it becomes a little easier. You wouldn't believe how I've given my exams. I've given my final semester exams, masters only, without
Okay.
gaps. I've given
Oh,
13 exams without gaps. So it was like hell for us. The month of January was completely hell for us. So I didn't
okay.
even know what date, what time it is.
Oh my God, you're that immersed in preparing and giving the
Oh
exams
God.
and all.
Yes, that's why. But still, the result isn't out of first semester. So I hope I didn't
Yeah.
get a back in my exam. I don't want to give a back paper. It's
You
very
won't, you won't.
frustrating.
You will definitely, I will pray for you.
I hope so. But okay. But I want to know what is up with you now. How are you enjoying life now?
And not enjoying. I'm just preparing for the
Preparing.
exam and
Absolutely.
giving mock tests.
Oh,
And meanwhile, friends is always with us. So
yes. Absolutely. How is it possible that we talk and don't bring that up in our conversation? No. I did talk to Mr. Paul also. You guys must have had a chat together, no? You guys
yes,
have
yes,
had
yes, we
conversations
had.
together. So even when him and I we are talking, we mentioned you that okay.
Yeah.
How's Pradeep? Is either one of us talking to you or not?
Yes, I watched
Yes.
it and I also commented. I won't. I mean, there will be a comment of mine in your way, in your conversation.
That's so cute.
And
Yes, and we were discussing that we have a group like together, 3-4 people. We have our own group. We discuss each
you're
other.
right.
Yes. Okay. He's also running his own YouTube channel, right?
YouTube channel, and he is very consistent, and
Oh,
he
yes.
has crossed 1K subscribers also.
Wow,
But
that's so
I'm
nice.
not. Yes,
Oh,
I'm
you
so
wouldn't
happy for
believe.
him.
I haven't talked to him also in a very long time. So whenever
Okay.
he's getting a session with me, I'm definitely gonna get this complaint like, "You are alive? Where were you, Parveen?" So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a earful from him also.
Yes, absolutely.
But I don't know how he's doing these days because we haven't talked for a very long time.
He's doing good. Yeah.
He's doing good. That's nice.
Yes, I've been following
See, we are a group,
YouTube channel.
We are a group. You give me his information, I give you his information, he gives me yours information. So it's a mix. So it's very nice, but still, I feel very nice seeing you after such a long time. It has been wonderful.
Me either. Same here for me.
But your exam is in March. April.
Yes.
The date is out?
No, the date isn't out. It will be. So.
Okay. So the date isn't out yet. So till that time, you have that duration to practice for your exam.
Yes.
Okay. So you are not consistent with YouTube?
No, not really.
Okay. When was the last time you uploaded a video?
Today it's my last conversation.
And he's like, no, I'm not consistent, but I just uploaded one video.
Yeah, after 3 weeks, I think.
Yeah. After 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
But, my subscribers have been very supportive to me, even though I'm not consistent. They're giving comments, and the subscribers are also increasing.
Yeah, because they know now how dedicated you are with the channel, and I'm sure they'll also understand that he's preparing for a competitive exam, which we all know what and how it is. So I'm pretty sure that's why they're very supportive to you.
Yeah.
But your channel must have grown.
Yeah, it's about 630 subscribers, and
630 people.
I hope it will be
630 people watching you.
Yes.
It will, don't worry. But yeah, it is like a consistency is very important. That's what I've heard for YouTube.
Consistency is
I have no idea about YouTube.
Crucial.
You know that. Whatever I've learned about YouTube, it's half of the things you told and half of the things Mr. Paul told me, how to edit his thumbnail and all he was discussing with me once. So that's all I know. Nothing else I know about YouTube. So I'm like, I'm gonna be a very bad YouTuber if I ever try to build a channel. It's not gonna happen. So let's see. But okay. How's your little brother? I miss him.
Yeah,
His
he's
life was very nice.
amazing. Yeah, he's
Good.
amazing at this.
What is he
He's
doing?
trying out new things. He's studying fourth class now.
4th class. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And rest of the things are okay?
Yes, rest of the things are okay, and he will always be in the game mode
Yes.
and trying out new things, and
Yeah.
crafting with the soil, mud.
Mud.
He loves to make some idols with the mud.
Wow. He's always been a sports person, right? Carrying bricks on
Yes.
his head just so he could buy his remote control car.
That's a long back time, but not now.
I remember, don't worry, I remember. And it's
Yes,
like
I knew you have a good memory. I hope.
it was so inspiring, so inspiring to listen to this story that is like a little child, little kid is doing these things. Wow. So I'll always remember that story. But
And
okay. Yeah.
What others new with you, Parveen?
Oh, this is all that is going on. In the morning, I have patients. Then I go to college for classes. Then I come back to take sessions. And in the night, I don't know where I am. So I just doze off. And directly I wake up in the morning at 8. So that's the whole cycle that is going on.
Routine, the routine.
Yeah. A routine, true. But I'm trying to find out, was there anything exciting in my life happening? And I'm not able to think of it because there's nothing exciting happening. It's the same monotonous schedule being followed. So not so good, not so bad. Let's see what happens. But yeah, we are going with life right now.
Yes.
But okay.
Are you all right?
Best. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. I've had a bit of a cold drink. Okay. It's right here. It's here only. So that's why I'm getting a bad throat now. The weather, it's February, and here in Delhi, it's 31 degrees already.
Oh my God.
In February, it's 31 degrees already. And so everyone is pretty dreaded what will happen in June and July. I
could imagine how it will increase in the month of April to May. Oh my God.
You're able to imagine? We are not even able to imagine what is going on with us. How the weather has just fallen and rising and again falling. I don't know. It's completely out of control. But where are you currently?
I'm currently in the, Vizag, Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam only. Earlier also you were there.
No, earlier in my college.
You went back to college.
Yes.
Yeah. And now you are in Visakhapatnam. Yes. But your house is there only, right?
No, in Visakhapatnam, my house is a remote village. It's far away from Vizag. It's a village. My house is in a village, but Vizag is a city. So I'm going there to get classes, coaching on my respective exam.
So how are you traveling the distance completely back and forth?
No. I'm staying in my relative's home.
Oh, okay, okay. So you're at your relatives.
Yes.
Okay. So you are staying here for a very long time, right? Because of your studies only.
Yes. And I'm visiting my hometown for once in 2 weeks.
Once in 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay, so now when are you going to go next?
This Sunday.
This Sunday, okay. And when will you come back?
On the Monday.
So you just go there for 1 day?
Yes. In the Saturday evening, I'll reach my home.
And you leave, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so Saturday night, Sunday whole day you're going to stay there, and Monday you're going to come back.
Monday? Yes, I'll come back.
That's sad. Okay. But people who live away from home are respected more.
Yes,
you're people like us who go in the morning, come back in the evening, our parents are like, "Arey, you come back again."
Yes, you're right.
That's how we feel.
If I stay 3 more days, then I will also be
You'll also be treated the same way.
Yes. on the very first day, my mom will cook, eat it better. I mean, eat you like it. You like this dish. Eat it more. And after 2 days,
Go back now. Go back. Why are you still here? You need to go back to your place. This is how it is. When we come back home, my mom, she looks at us in such disappointment, like, they're back again. They don't do anything in the house. They just sit and eat, and they're back now. So that's why I can see that disappointment in her eyes. I'm like,
so have you had your dinner, Parveen?
no, I'll have it after 11 when my sessions are over.
Oh my God, after 11.
That's the routine. Then from 8 to 11, I have to take sessions, and then after that, I'll have my dinner. Yeah.
I think the time is running out. It's
it's already 30
minutes. 3 minutes.
It's already 37. This is what happens, when you're having good conversations. The time just runs away, and we don't
runs fast. Runs very
don't
fast.
even realize. But I'm still watching Friends. I don't know about you. I don't know
Me
what
either.
cycle I'm watching.
I got. I'm with first season again.
First season again? I'm on season 7. About to finish season 7. Yes. But I have started a number of things that I watched on Netflix and on Amazon Prime also. So I would suggest you. Have you watched Wednesday?
No.
You should try Wednesday. It was very
nice. I'll try it out.
Very, very nice.
I'll give it a try for sure. Wednesday.
The vocabulary was very nice. So, I was even thinking, like, who should I recommend this to?
Okay,
a person
finally.
who can actually,
My pleasure.
get the vibe of the show. So that's why I'm recommending it to you that please watch Wednesday. You like it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
You're most welcome.
I'll definitely give it a try.
Yes. So, there was a time when I was like, okay, enough of Friends. I really need to explore more stuff.
Yes.
So I started like, okay, let's see what's trending. So I came across Wednesday, so I was watching that. So it was
on Netflix. On Netflix.
Yes, on Netflix only.
Okay.
It was nice. So I'm recommending it to you. Then
Thank
please
you.
try it out, and then next time you can tell me how it was. Sure, please.
Yes, sure, for sure.